Wireless doorbells have been around for several years now, but they're recently replacing wired doorbells at a very rapid rate. They offer a quick and simple install, and you get a greater degree of flexibility because you can install them anywhere you like in your home. To know more about which wireless doorbell to buy, check out our guide video on the 8 best wireless doorbells that are available right now. If you are using any of the wireless doorbells, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Number 8. Secrui Wireless Doorbell. This wireless doorbell for home has been paired before delivery. There is no need for wiring or electrician installation when using it, since its installation can be completed within 1 minute. This high-frequency electronic technology wireless remote control doorbell adopts the FM signal scheme. It has strong anti-interference features and one-to-one signal pairing. No need to worry about a signal connecting wrongly with the next door. And the sensing distance can reach up to 1,000 feet in an obstacle-free environment. The doorbell also has been updated with 58 songs in 5 levels of volume that can be adjusted. You can add as required, choose 1 button with 1 receiver, or 1 button with 2 receivers, or 2 buttons with 3 receiver sets, etc. This doorbell is made of high-quality ABS material, showing high performance in fire and flame resistance. It is IP55 dustproof and waterproof protection. The receiver adopts an optimized circuit design. The transmitter does not consume power without being pressed. Number 7. Cacazi Wireless Doorbell. Are you searching for the best wireless doorbell? Then look at the Cacazi Wireless Doorbell. It is one of the best wireless doorbells on the market. This wireless doorbell offers a wide selection of 58 chimes for your personal taste. It comes with a 4-level of volume that works from 20 dB to 110 dB. The doorbell also comes with ultra-low power consumption. It uses a 23A12V alkaline battery that boasts a 2-year maximum lifespan. It is also IP44 dustproof and waterproof, which works temperature ranges from -4°F to 140°F, withstands various harsh weather conditions. The wireless ensures that you never miss any important guests or urgent deliveries, even if you are several rooms away. It also works perfectly in the kitchen, bedroom, living room, and so on. You can install the push button with provided double-sided tape or screw it on the wall. You can expand each transmitter with up to 10 receivers. Code learning function makes it easy to customize your doorbell with multiple transmitters and receivers. Number 6. Danslesbls Wireless Doorbell. The wireless doorbell has strong penetrating power, capable of transmitting clear signals up to long-range 304m/1000 FT inside your home or business in an open space. You'll never miss a visitor's arrival no matter where you are. It will not interfere with other equipment in your house or those of your neighbors. This wireless doorbell features 45 tunes and 4 adjustable volume levels of 0 to 110 dB. It also has humanized mute mode 0 dB with LED indicator reminder, won't disturb a sleeping baby, and the maximum level of 110 dB is loud enough to be heard even during a party, or even by those with impaired hearing. This doorbell also comes with a waterproof ring structure, could work between -4°F to 140°F, withstands tough weather conditions. It is a portable-sized doorbell, won't hinder the use of a nearby switch button. Plug-in receivers eliminate the hassles of having to change disposable batteries or recharge your units. It is also easy to install with all the accessories needed, broadly ideal for home, office, hotel, dormitory, factory, etc. Number 5. Boeing Wireless Doorbell. This wireless doorbell from Boeing comes with a stylish modern design in classic white. It is made with excellent materials that keep itself from getting higher temperature and interference. This doorbell has a remote transmitter button that is rated IP44 weatherproof. It works between -22°F to 158°F to withstand various harsh weather conditions, acceptable for outdoor use. This wireless doorbell operating range up to 1,000 feet in the open area ensures you can hear and answer the doorbell in time. It is a perfect wireless doorbell kit for home, apartment, school, villas, offices, warehouses, hotels, factories, hospitals, and more. There are 38 different ringtones with 4 levels of adjustable volume from 25 dB to 85 dB. The stereo speaker delivers rich and crisp sound. Easily choose and set your favorite tones as you wish. It also includes flashing light indicators which are easy for people including the hearing impaired to notice. Number 4. Honeywell Home Wireless Doorbell. This wireless doorbell is a great option for virtually any home. You'll receive both the portable receiver and a push button with mounting hardware, and the receiver offers a range of up to 450 feet. It comes with a square design that has an LED halo light around the edge. You can program with 7 color alerts, and you can also adjust the volume and chime to suit your preferences. This doorbell can be connected to up to 6 transmitters, allowing you to add additional doorbells. It's powered by 4C batteries, which can last for up to 5 years. There are 8 chime options to choose from, and you can mute the receiver temporarily or permanently. This impressive wireless doorbell from Honeywell Home also has an incredible 5-year battery life, ensuring that it can be used regularly without quickly draining the battery. It comes with all the screws and brackets to install the doorbell system on the wall, but the portable receiver also can be carried and set up on almost any flat surface for users who are regularly moving around the home. Number 3. Tecknet Wireless Doorbell. The unique wireless doorbell by Tecknet is a user-friendly wireless doorbell that is very easy to set up. You can choose from 2 different colors. This wireless doorbell has 38 different ringtones that can be selected. It also has 4 levels of adjustable volume from 0 dB to 95 dB, which is loud enough to meet your daily needs and is also suitable for the elderly. It can be fixed to the door frame with screws or attached using double-sided adhesive tapes. This doorbell also comes with a 1,300-foot operating range. You'll be sure never to miss a visitor's arrival no matter where you are. The Tecknet wireless doorbell also has an LED light, which flashes when there is a visitor at the front door, providing convenience for the elderly and the hearing impaired. And the remote transmitter button is rated IP55 waterproof and acceptable for outdoor use. The packing list includes 1 battery-operated transmitter, 1 plug-in receiver, 2 screws, and double-sided adhesive tapes. With all its attractive features, the Tecknet is a popular choice for its slim design and affordable price. Number 2. Avantek Wireless Doorbell. The wireless doorbell from Avantek is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their home with some new technology. It can be installed securely with screws or stuck to an exterior wall using an adhesive strip, giving you the option to set it up quickly and easily when it arrives. The 1,000-foot range ensures that no matter where you are in your home, the receiver will notify you when the doorbell is triggered, so long as it's plugged into a wall outlet. It comes with a built-in LED light. The wireless doorbell button and receiver are easy to see, even in the dead of night. Its transmitter runs on a 3-year battery, but the compact receiver is designed to fit comfortably in a single power outlet, without blocking access to another socket. This wireless doorbell also includes 52 different chimes that sound through the 29mm stereo speakers for clear, crisp sound quality. Choose between 5 different volume levels with a maximum noise level of 115 dB. It also has an internal memory function that allows it to remember and automatically restore the last settings after a power outage. Number 1. Sadotech Wireless Doorbell. If you are switching to a wireless doorbell for the very first time, this Sadotech wireless doorbell could be the best option for you. It will continue to serve you with some cool chimes and tunes for a long time. This wireless doorbell comes with a stylish and modern design, which offers an expansive operating range of over 1,000 feet within an open area. It provides a waterproof transmitter that is rated IP33. This wireless doorbell is easy to install, requiring you to simply plug the receiver into an electrical outlet inside of your home, while the transmitter is battery operated. It fixes the transmitter securely with the fastening supplied. In addition, there are 52 chimes and ringtones available with this wireless doorbell with 4 levels of adjustable volume from 25 dB through to 110 dB. The Sadotech wireless doorbell is so easy to install and use. Its design looks great outside of any modern home, while the adjustable volume and numerous chime ringtones allow you to tailor the wireless doorbell to your requirements and desires. That's it for today. If you like our video, then a sub will be astounding. Here are the top 8 wireless doorbells on the market for you. Hope you found what you were looking for. So don't forget to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.